Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita Nair, and if you're new here, I hope you stick around. If you've been here a while, I hope you've liked and subscribed to this channel because it gives me motivation to make more content. Today we have a very special video planned, and it has been highly requested by my sister. For help on this video, I'd like to call upon my family. So today we're going to play a Who Knows Me Better tag, my sister or my mother. I have prepared 12 questions. Whoever gets the answer right will get 1 point. At the end of the game, whoever loses has to do a dare that has been set by the winner. These both did not know about that.
What the hell?
I think my sister's gonna win because we have this weird sixth sense.
Savage.
And my mom just doesn't listen to me when I talk. Let's get to it. Question number 1. Which is my favorite restaurant?
I've written it now. No, I'm not going to show it.
Okay. Okay, now show it. 3.
Achha, I have to show it also, no?
Now show it to them, no? 2, 1.
Wait.
You put truffles. Correct. 1
How
point.
did you know? I didn't think you'd get that.
Question number 2. When was my first kiss? How old was I? She was the first person I told.
Okay, so how will I know?
It's because I was there.
Because I told you the next day and you got so angry with me.
Really?
Yeah, she was furious.
You were there, you said.
But I don't remember how old she was. I'm confused between 2.
I don't know how is it right or wrong. I don't know. You have to take the names. You might have kissed.
Krishna is right. Waste taunted.
Okay,
I was
okay.
17.
Haan,
Which song did we win Blossoms dance contest in Christon for? We came 3rd out of like 67 teams. Show what have you written? Show. Show me. It was Malhari
I got it
from
right.
Bajirao.
I got it right.
What is my favorite color to paint with?
What is this question? How are we supposed to know?
You guys have seen all my paintings.
black.
Favorite color to paint with?
You cannot say it out loud, you have to write it. And you cannot say yes or no, that's cheating.
Oh, I was just taking a chance. You would say yes or no something. So
I don't have a favorite color, but I have a favorite color to paint with.
black only. Everything is black when you put.
Mummy!
I read black.
You know it's not black, write a different color. No.
Black.
Blue.
Blue. You guys, literally my paintings everywhere in the house.
I know, I saw that and I
Okay, fine. Next question.
Where do I want to study / live in the future?
Anybody will know this.
It's a pipe dream because it's very expensive, but yeah.
I got it right this time.
I was 21 when I got to go to New York for work, and it was the best thing ever. And I want to settle down there in the future. Where was my first solo trip?
New York.
I know. Okay, I'll give you a hint. It was on my birthday 3 years ago.
I don't know that. That's not a hint, that's making me confused.
Okay, it's a little city in India.
I know. Then I got it.
Seriously, Mama.
Write it right. No. You cannot say anything now. I got it.
Arey Baba, I don't remember names.
You right.
What do
you don't remember?
Places. Dates.
Go watch this video.
2, 1.
Pondicherry.
Correct.
Yes!
Favorite sport to play and favorite sport to watch. They both are different things.
What is to watch? You never watches only any sport.
I think I
Of
know
course
what
I
you're
do.
watching it.
I don't know.
We were talking about this like 5 minutes ago when Krishna said she went for
Basketball, she said. I never
Mommy,
seen
can
play
you
basketball.
write it? Hey, what do you play? You play a lot of sports.
Let's see.
Okay.
To play, I wrote basketball. To watch, I wrote cricket.
This is the answer I was thinking.
What did you write?
Kabaddi. I have never once watched Kabaddi in my life. Where did you get that? How many tattoos do I have?
Oh my god.
Okay, wait, let me check.
Stop looking at me.
5, I think. See, 1.
No, we cannot team up.
Just write down an answer.
Okay.
Mama, you're losing badly. You don't know
answer.
anything about your daughter.
I have an answer.
I think it is 3.
What?
6! Where are all the tattoos? Please tell me also.
I have 6 tattoos.
Da-na-na-na-na.
You counted 5 and then she left
Yeah.
out.
Where did you get 3 from?
She thought 1, 2, और यही कहीं
She
कुछ
has
है।
with me.
Mummy, I have like 2 tattoos on my
She
hand.
has her.
My mother doesn't know me at all.
I know her so well.
I just know her temperament.
I feel.
She just knows what illnesses I might or might not have. So I don't need to go to the doctor to get diagnosed. What is my favorite alcoholic beverage?
Anything liquid.
Do you think I'm an alcoholic?
Anything? What did you say?
Anything liquid it seems.
जो पी सकती है पी लेती है.
It's
Why?
there in her intro also. She's drinking that thing.
I
whiskey.
think it's. I don't know.
See, you watch all my videos, you still don't know.
Wine, wine.
Wait, that's the answer.
Yeah. What is the show?
I've written something else. I wrote ramen coke.
No, that was back in school back in college when we had Old Monk cheapest thing. I like whiskey, so you both don't get any points.
Oh no.
I like whiskey because it gives me no hangover when I drink a lot.
She likes rum.
Best gift that I have ever received. It's very easy this
Me.
answer. No, shut up.
Oh, I know.
Mama, come on. I'll tell you one hint.
No. This is cheating.
अरे हिंट तो दो.
She's losing anyways.
Fine.
One of my Masis gave me this gift.
Cycle. Cycle only, no? She gave you.
You just write down your answer.
You can't say it
My
out loud and ask her, is this the correct answer?
Then Munna gave her.
Cycle from Munna.
My sister Munna gave her a cycle.
Cycle from
Correct answer, both of y'all. There's 2
Somewhere.
questions left.
2. One here I will write and one here.
No, she gave you paper.
No need. Why waste paper? We should not waste paper. See what she's
I'm not
doing.
going to put it on.
She is not going to put this waste paper.
I'm not going to put this in the video.
I will again say. I will keep saying.
Okay, what's my most prized possession? It's so easy.
My God, everything is easy because you know it.
I have 2 answers.
Like, what do I love?
Can I write both?
Yeah, sure.
Thing is it materialistic?
Yeah, materialist. Prized possession, no? Like, obviously, my most prized possession is your love.
Okay.
That is abstract and non-existent.
You know what? You don't love me. It's in my room.
Shh. You are a cheater.
You're a water eater.
What a reader.
5, 4, 3. You're taking too long.
I don't know. What is your prized possession?
Mummy, just write something, no?
What? My God, she doesn't know me.
Just write anything.
I don't.
Write anything.
Okay, let me think.
Because he's so, like feeling genuinely sad right now.
I thought she would know at least 5. Krishna?
I wrote books.
Of course, it's books. What else will it be?
I also wrote your box that has all your old things because I thought that would be fun.
She knows me better than myself.
Okay.
And you thought non-existent love. Okay, last question. When did I lose my virginity?
Oh. As far as I know,
No. You do not I did.
you will.
I'm not a prude. I just haven't found someone I like that much. So my family is right.
Yay!
Till now.
I don't have any belief saving until marriage and stuff. Okay, just letting you know.
Oh, it's therapy happening.
Yeah.
Is
Okay.
it over?
Yeah.
It was so less. Ask one more.
Hey, no.
Okay. Whoever gets this answer.
No.
Okay, fine. Wins 3 points. She still doesn't win. Fine.
Mommy lost. Now I get to give you a dare. I know exactly what my dare
You
is.
be the dare and you do it also for me.
I know exactly what my dare is going to be.
What do you want to eat?
How did you know?
Mama knows Krishna better. So, do you want a part 2 of us guessing for Krishna? Because that will be more neck and neck. We both know Krishna almost equally. Mama just doesn't know me. Okay, 3 things I want to learn after quarantine ends?
The reason I don't know, she keeps fighting with me. And whenever I ask her, she just keeps arguing. So I have just left it. These three things also I don't
That's
know.
why
Probably Krishna knows. I don't know.
Krishna doesn't know.
Okay, Krishna also doesn't know.
I'm gonna guess, but
My brain has stopped thinking.
Mama, I told you I want to start learning something again.
Hey, French!
Mama gets 1 point.
I did not put French. Is not. I wrote tattooing, bartending, and guitar.
This tattooing and bartending is something I want to do with my life. But the things that I want to learn immediately after is painting.
You already know. That's such bull.
And I want to continue French and I want to do graphic designing. And you both don't be.
Hey, I told French.
Mama wins.
1 point.
Okay, so now that we know Krishna wins clearly, this is how many points she got, and this is how many points Mama got. So disappointing, mother. How many points you got?
Are you disappointed me being your mother?
1.
This is getting too sentimental there. So Krishna is gonna give Mama a dare that Mama has to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook. As usual.
Biryani
Biryani, yeah. See
for dinner tonight.
For dinner tonight?
Yes. That's my dare.
A lame dare you're giving. You could have given her eat a raw egg or something.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
I'm not eating any damn
Eat
shit.
a raw egg.
No.
Arey, it should benefit me also. How is her eating a raw egg gonna
So we're gonna have biryani for dinner tonight.
get anything out of it?
And I hope you liked that video. If you did, comment down below. If you didn't, comment down below what we can do better. And if you want part 2, then let us know. I'll see you later, bitches. Bye.